Now we will see matrices in Octave software. How the matrices is defined in Octave software. Matrices is defined in Octave as a like this: A equal to into square bracket 1 space 2 space 3 enter 4 space 5 space 6 square bracket close. So it is a matrix can be defined like this. There are many ways to define a matrix in Octave that we will see one by one. Now consider B equal to, this is another way, 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 1 space 4 space 5 semicolon 4 space 5 space 6 square bracket close. So we can define the matrices like this also, or we can also define matrices like this: square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 semicolon 4 comma 5 comma 6 semicolon 7 comma 8 comma 9. So this is another way to define matrices in Octave. Next way is consider D equal to into square bracket 1 s to 4 semicolon 3 s to 2 s to 10 semicolon 10 s to minus 2 s to 4. So this is also one type of way to define a matrices in Octave. We can also define matrices like this: E equal to 1 space 2 space 3, then again E equal to into square bracket E semicolon 4 space 5 space 6, then again E equal to E semicolon 7 space 8 space 9. So this is another way to define matrices in Octave. Now next we will see matrix multiplication. Consider A equal to 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 4 space 5 space 6 and B equal to 4 space 5 space 6 semicolon 1 2 3. So there are two matrices, we have to multiply it. To consider C equal to A dot into B. So it will multiply two matrices. For this we have to display C, because we have given a semicolon after that A dot into B, so that's why it is not showing the answer. To show the answer, type C and then enter. So it is the matrix multiplication of A and B. Now if you want to add 2 into matrix B, so write B plus 2. So it will be 2 is will added into matrix B. And if you multiply B by 2, you can write B into 2. So it will multiply B 4 into 2, 5 into 2, 10, 6 into 2, 12, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6, like this. Now if you want to see a transpose matrix of this C matrix, so how will convert into transpose matrix? So it will be C transpose. So this will be convert this C matrix into transpose matrix. This is converted into 4 10 18 is 4 10 18 in column. This row is 4 10 18, again converted into 4 10 18 in the columns. Now I am defining one matrix X equal to 1 2 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9. This is the X matrix. If you want to know what is the position of this 5, so how to know? It will be X 2 row comma 2 column. It will give a value 5. If you want to change the value of 5, so you have to change the value of 5 like this: X into bracket 2 comma 2 bracket close equal to, consider 11. See here, it is 5 here, it is replaced by 11 here. To display a third column, in this X matrix, we will write X into bracket. This is column for row and show third column only. This is the third column of X matrix 369. So it is showing 369 here only. If you want to see only a second row in X matrix, so write X into bracket 2 row comma colon for the column, and we will show a second row of X matrix. So the second row is 4 11 6 in X matrix, so it is showing only a second row. If you want to see a second and third column only, so how will write this? X into bracket column row comma 2 S2 3. So it will show only a second and third column. So see, this is the second column of X, the third column of X, it is showing a second and third column here. From the inbuilt function we can also define the matrix. Consider I equal to this I into bracket 3. It will make a matrix 3 by 3 I matrix like this. 3 by 3 diagonal I matrix. If you want to make a diagonal matrix of different value, so write di ag into bracket, consider 7 minus comma minus 1 comma 2. So it will make a diagonal matrix consisting of 7 minus 1 and 2. If something went wrong, this will be in a square bracket like this. So it will make a diagonal matrix 7 1 and 2. Similarly, we can make for the 0 matrix by this command zeros 4. So it will make a 4 by 4 matrix consisting of all zeros. If you want to make a 3 by 4 matrix consisting of all zeros, so you can write zeros 3 comma 4. So it will make a 3 by 4 matrix consisting of all 0. Similarly, you can make a ones matrix by writing this command ones 4. It is 4 by 4 matrix. You can also make it 3 by 4 like this, 3 comma 4 consisting of all 1. We can also use a inbuilt function random for 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix will be some random values by 3 by 3 matrix. You can also change it to 3 by 4 matrix like this, then 3 comma 4. So it is 3 by 4 matrix, 3 rows and 4 columns matrix. One very interesting command in Octave is magic matrix, magic command. If you write magic into bracket 3, it will give a 3 by 3 matrix with some magic value. So if you see very carefully, all rows and all column addition will be 15. Try it by your own. If you write again magic for 4, it will make a matrix. If you add each row, each column or diagonally, addition of this matrix will be a 34. So it is the magic matrix. S equal to 1 to 12. So it will make value up to 1 to 12 by interval of 1. So it is like this, 1 to 12 by interval of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also convert this into a matrix by a inbuilt command reshape. So consider y equal to reshape of which value? S value, comma, in how many rows and how many columns? 3 rows and 4 columns. So it will convert this value into 3 rows and 4 columns like this. So you can also add in matrix in rows and columns. Consider n is equal to zeros and m equal to ones. It is also 4. Now you can add this two matrix like this: Q equal to into bracket n space m. This n and m matrix will be joined in rows. So like this. So it is a n matrix, it is a m matrix. You can join it via columns also. So consider this R equal to into bracket n semicolon m. So it will join these two matrix into a columns matrix. So like this. So first matrix, here it is a second m matrix. And if you want to know how many rows and how many columns into this R matrix, so write into square bracket row space column equal to size of R. So it will give a rows and columns. So in this, how many rows? 8 rows and 4 columns are there in the R matrix. Similarly, you can find the length. Length means rows of matrix. So it is R. It will give a answer 8 rows. So these are some examples of matrix. How will define the matrix into octave, how will multiply, how will add, how to find the length, how to find the size that we have seen. Thank you very much.